Oyaore, oimore, ichiew nade, idhi nade. How are you? How are you doing? Good morning and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. This is a channel where you come to learn the Luo language. And what is today's video about? Today's video is about nouns that start with the letter K and the letter L. The noun and the plural, the singular and the plural. The first one is kedno. 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 And kedno is gallbladder in English, and the plural is kete. 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 2. Kede. Kede. Some people say kedi. Kede. Kedi. And that's a cane. And the plural is kete.
Can I tell you something?
Kete. Keno. Keno. Keno is a long neck gourd. Gourd. Keno. And the plural is kende. Kende. Kikun. Kikun. Kikun is flea. Kikun. And the plural is, where is the plural? Kikunde. Kikunde. The next one is kiru. Kiru. Kiru is a small temporary hat, and the plural is kiche. Kiche. Kitabu. Kitabu is not really Luo, but it's a Swahili version of book. We usually say book. In Luo we say book, but we can say kitabu. Kitepe. Kitepe is allowed. Kitabu, kitepe. Those are books. Kogno. Kogno. Nails. Kogno. Koke. Koke. Koke or nails or claws for the birds. Yeah, claws. Kombe. Kombe. Kombe are seeds. No, kom is the singular kom, and the plural is kombe. Kombe. Then we have quach. Quach. And the quach is a leopard. Kueje. Kueje. Those are leopards. Quer. Quer. That's a hoe. Quer. Que. Que. Lao. Lao. That's L. Lao. Leuni. Leuni. Lao is a cloth or a part of a cloth. Like this. Lao. Leuni. Then liech. Liel. Liel. Liel becomes liete. Liel is where someone has been buried and an anthill has grown, but liel is called tombstone. Not a tombstone, but a traditional tombstone, I think, something like that. Liete. Then loch. Loch is a stake, and loye. Loye. Lowo. That's a soil or earth. Lowo. Lope. Lope. Luth. Luth is a stick or a rod or a cane. Lothe. Lothe. So those are some of the Luo words that begin with the letter K and L. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, in our last video, I asked you to give me ideas on how to use the cartoon characters to entice kids. Please send me your ideas. Send us your ideas. Hey, can they send ideas here? Yes? 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 Please send us ideas on how we can use this characters to help our kids learn the Luo language, because we want to start using this to give the kids Luo language ideas. And I hope you stay safe, wash your hands, stay home if you have to. If you're an essential worker, we thank you for doing all the good work. And be safe out there. The world has changed and it's not business as usual. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alrighty.